Alright, so real quick, let's go ahead and break the torque on these wheels before I get it in the air. So when I get it in the air, they come off really easy. This will, because obviously this is the most damaged wheel, and I want to see how deep of a sandpaper I need to go to kind of clean this up and get it looking good. Thankfully, it looks like the paint just flaked off and the metal's good, so I shouldn't have to grind down too far and like worry about smoothing metal and all that. All right, so we're gonna start with 400 grit. All right, so my wife came out and helped me a little bit, and then her sister-in-law got here, so they're about to go do what women do. I'm gonna finish this up. Halfway done with the second wheel. Just got. Those are all degreased. I'm gonna let that dry for about 5 minutes and then it's time to paint. All right, so we got the paint pretty much. My little thing inside of it is moving crazy. Already degreased it, tacked it, masked it. I'm so happy to finally be here because it's time to just go ahead and start painting it. So we'll see how it goes. Just do multiple light coats. I can already tell I really like this color. All right, so I got the first coat on the first wheel done. I do want to go ahead and show you guys how this looks compared to the OEM. All right, so it doesn't really look too different if you don't have a side-by-side. So like this was what I was saying was the OEM is a gunmetal, while I went with more of a hyper silver. So just want to show the difference between the two, and I honestly can't wait for it to dry. I'm gonna do 3 coats of this, and yeah, then we'll go ahead and unmask it in about an hour after the 3rd coat, and we'll go from there. All right, got the two fronts all unmasked. I will say it does have a few imperfections, as you can see. The adhesive left over from the painter's tape, so it'll focus right there, right there. So I'm gonna go through with my little rag, get that cleaned up, because there's no point of refinishing these and making them look good, and then the part that was already good looks bad now, you know? So I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna get these last two unmasked, and we'll go from there. They did turn out pretty great. Got rid of the curb rash. I will say, like, there are a couple little areas that could use a little bit of touch up, but I had a decent amount of overspray. You see I missed some right there, and then I'm gonna have to go back and wipe off. But that's cool. I removed quite a bit of overspray yesterday, and I got a lot of the adhesive off of the wheels. But I mean, for how curb rash they were, so much better. You can also see the silver paint sparkle. It's a really nice color. Kind of happy with how this came out. All right, well, this is gonna wrap it up for the wheel project on the F82 M4, and I'll see you on the next project where we tint the taillights.